created pina colada from Impulse Coffee's Pal Pal Pineapple. So my first reaction and honest reaction. Let's see. Wow. Too good. Very subtle, very nice. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. People who are on diet can have this. मजा आ गया, seriously. So Sarah, I approve this. I really love it. Not sponsored video. मैंने खुद खरीदा है and I'm very sure कि उनका सेल भी स्टार्ट होने वाला है. So do purchase it. And I'm enjoying my coffee. I always have coffee this way because मुझे एक्ने होता है. And I've heard सारा ऐसा बोल रही थी कि उन्हें PCOS friendly coffee भी निकालना है. So go for it. I am going to purchase it.